Signing in for your shift. When you are ready to begin your shift, the first thing you want to do is log into Chrome. Click the icon on your desktop to open Chrome. To log into Chrome, you can go to Settings or you can use the person icon. Both of these are in the upper right corner of your screen. Here we are choosing Settings. Click Sign into Chrome on the screen that opens. Enter your Answer First email address. Then enter the password that you've set up for your Answer First email. Next, you will want to choose the Link Data option so that all of your bookmarks will be displayed for you. Click the OK Got It button. Once your bookmarks appear on your bookmarks bar, you can click your Answer First Intranet bookmark and navigate to the intranet. On the internet, you will want to find the term server that you are assigned to for your shift, so you will click the Contact Center tab and then click What's My Server. We are assigned to Mtelco T1, so we will minimize Chrome and return to the desktop. Next, we're going to log into our audio resource. For this demonstration, I'll be using Xlite, so we enter 8 plus our 3-digit operator number. Once you see call established, then you'll know that you've connected and you're good to move on to the next step. Next, we want to log into our terminal server. We were assigned to Mtelco T1. So we will need to double click the icon on the desktop. You will enter your username, which is your first name dot last name, and then the password that you established. Once you are inside of the terminal server, your next step is to log into Chrome again, and you would log into Chrome using the same instructions that were provided to you earlier in this demonstration. Once you have logged into Chrome, you will want to open a tab for the Answer First intranet and a tab for your email so that during slow periods you will be able to look for anything new. You can then slide Chrome over to your second monitor. Next, we will log into River. It is your choice to either use a bookmark in Chrome or to use the desktop application on the server. You will log in using your first name underscore last name and then your password. Once logged in, you will want to join the correct forums or private teams that you are a member of. And next, we want to log into Telephone Agent. Find the folder on your desktop that is labeled Telephone Agents and double-click to open. Once you have opened the folder, scroll through the list to find the telephone agent station number that matches your operator number. The Infinity Telephone Agent login box will open for you, and you can then close the folder. Enter your assigned login name and password. Typically, this is your first name dot last name, and your password will be the last 4 numbers of your Social Security number. Telephone Agent will open for you, and you will always see the bulletin board pop up. Please read this for any new or important information you may need. Click the Off button to turn yourself on and be ready to accept calls. At the end of your shift, you will want to log out of everything that we have just logged into, and we will do this in the reverse order. First, you will press the On button to turn yourself off in Telephone Agent. Then you will press the F10 menu key, then O, then L, and then Enter. Telephone Agent will close and you will be brought back to the sign in page, but you are not completely logged out yet. You will need to click the Quit button and then click the Yes button for the question, do you really want to exit? Next, we want to log out of River and Chrome. If you have logged into River through the browser, closing Chrome will also log you out of River. To log out of Chrome, you will want to click the 3 dots in the upper right corner or click your name at the top right of your screen in Chrome, then click Settings. On the next page, click Sign Out and sign out. Now you can see that you are signed out of Chrome and simply click the red X in the upper right corner to close. The next step is to log out of the terminal server. To do that, you want to go to the lower left corner and press your Start button. Click the Log Off button to close all programs and log off of the terminal server. The terminal server will log you off and close. You are returned to your desktop where you can see that your audio connection has hung up. The audio connection does disconnect whenever you log out of Telephone Agent. Now you will want to log out of Chrome using the same steps that we used inside of the terminal server, outside of the terminal server. Now you have successfully logged out of your shift.